One of the greatest challenges when managing fruit is its high value. It is essential for it to arrive with your customers in optimum condition. The Kissnow platform helps you record the spec of the fruit across its whole journey. We digitalize all the information so you can send it to your customers quickly, replacing the current slow paper process. Currently, there is not anything digital from the source. We provide digital records from the field all the way through to arriving at your customers' gates. We support businesses like you, who grow anything from citrus to table grapes, top fruit, berries, and even avocados. Our quality tool is made for the important stage in the supply chain, where it's all about the quality you dispatch and how it arrives with your customers. Waste is the biggest issue when managing fruit. By using our quality tool, it will help you reduce this amount. You will give your customers greater confidence with this level of transparency. This new way of managing the quality of your crop will save time and reduce errors for your team. Unlike any other system, can be set up on Kissnow within a matter of hours. Complementing our quality tool and removing even more paperwork, we bring you new paperless load passports. On its journey from farm to factory, our food requires manual paperwork for every lorry load or container. Our digital solution ensures no more pieces of paper flying around. Unreadable, scribbly handwriting or lost tickets. With paperless load passports, we save trees and your time. From the office or the farm, all you need is your mobile phone to send a load passport electronically. Reduce errors like pre-populated data from one central online system. Quickly create customer-tailored passport templates. Easily manage non-contracted crops for same-day fulfillment. All of this comes with the audit trail to quickly demonstrate compliance. Kissnow is an online platform that connects agri-food supply chains from seed to sale, wherever you are in the world. Visit our website or book a quick demo with one of our team. They'll be happy to say hello.